one of the things that's happened, which always happens with an extended period of peacetime, is that you have a steady increase in the amount of bureaucracy. The size of the government grows. The laws and regulations that are put in place get larger every year. If you have regulators are going to add more regulations every year. Lawmakers will add more laws every year. The cleansing process normally for getting rid of nonsensical laws and regulations is war. Now, obviously, we'd prefer to not have war drive the reformation of government. So in the absence of war, you have to have something like what we have formed here in the U.S., a Department of Government Efficiency, in order to get rid of laws and regulations.
Forgiveness is important. I think it's essential because if you don't forgive, then, as I forget who said it, but an eye for an eye makes everyone blind. Mm-hmm. If you're going to seek vengeance and you have this never-ending cycle of vengeance, mm-hmm. I'm actually a big believer in the principles of Christianity. I think they're very good.